If your body is a car, then drinking coffee is like stepping on the gas pedal while the handbrake is still on. Remember that morning coffee? It didn't give you any energy, it concealed your fatigue. And it's the very reason you started off like this in the first place. Tired, bloated, stressed, anxious, acidic, inflamed, and dehydrated. But this, it brews like coffee. It looks and tastes and feels exactly like that warm hug in a mug coffee feel. But instead of depleting your energy and destroying your gut and making you jittery, it restores your energy, it resets your digestion, and it makes you focused and centered for the entire day ahead. And it's loaded with anti-aging compounds. Hi and welcome to Curiosity with me, Daisy. I've always tried to quit coffee, but I would revert to it after a few days or weeks, again quit and again revert because I was so addicted to its taste and flavor. Just imagine like waking up in the morning and knowing you cannot have a coffee is like such a bland, boring, dull, drab day, right? So I got curious and I experimented, you guys, and like how, oh my god, I eventually, after a lot of trials and errors, I have landed with this perfect non-coffee coffee blend. So all those issues that coffee created, with me in the past, this kind of set it right in less than a month because of all the ingredients, and I'm going to come to that really soon. Oh, also, yeah, you can customize it as per your taste. Like my favorite blend is more like the South Indian super strong heavy body filter coffee. So this recipe kind of tastes exactly like that, but you can adjust the ratio of ingredients as per your taste. Here are the ingredients. So the base in this blend is chicory powder, which is a part of a lot of coffee blends, and you can actually smell that coffee aroma in the chicory powder. Chicory is like 68% inulin. Inulin is like this amazing fertilizer like for all the good bacteria in your gut, and it naturally relieves constipation. It also stimulates the production of bile, so it's great for the liver health, and it has like a bunch of other benefits specifically related to the gut. Okay, so the next ingredient is chickpeas. We all know that chickpeas are an amazing source of protein. So it adds that little extra bit of protein to your morning, cup of coffee as well. The third ingredient is dandelion root powder. When it's roasted, it caramelizes, giving this rich, dark, bitter, chocolatey flavor, very similar to that of coffee. And dandelion is an excellent source of so many essential nutrients. It's also a hepatic tonic, meaning it kind of stimulates the liver to produce bile. So it's like your liver's best friend. And it's traditionally used also to cure digestive health. So while caffeine disrupts digestion, dandelion heals it. And now for the anti-aging, like my favorite part. This blend has reishi mushroom, which in traditional Chinese medicine was used as an anti-aging food. It was actually called the mushroom of immortality. Also, it makes you kind of handle stress a lot better. Like coffee kind of throws you off the edge, but this kind of soothes you and calms you down. And if your immune system is like lazy, like sickness, then it wakes it up, and if it's overactive like in the case of allergies and inflammation, then reishi will kind of calm it and soothe it down. Also, it's a great liver support. And the next one is date seeds, and please don't throw these away. Did you know that they have a lot higher ORAC value, which is an antioxidant score, than green tea, which means it basically fights aging better than popular green tea without that bitter, grassy taste. Also, they reset your liver and kidneys. And the final ingredient is barley. Barley is used really little in comparison with the rest, but they also have great benefits. Okay, so here's the recipe. Just FYI, I already had this huge large jar of coffee powder prepared, so I'm just making a really small batch just for this video. This quantity also works perfect, for a trial run. 70 grams of chickpeas, dry roasted until dark brown and powdered. 70 grams of chicory powder. Now this is readily available powdered form on Amazon. I provided the link in the description below, and this is a really good brand. 20 grams of dandelion root and reishi mushroom. I use this readily available mix of dandelion root and reishi mushroom powder on Amazon. This just made my job a lot easier. I just dry roasted this for a while before adding it to the mix. 20 grams of date seeds, that's dry roasted again and powdered. 15 grams of barley. It's just a really small quantity comparatively, but again dry roasted until dark brown and powdered. You can kind of powder all the dry roasted ingredients together. Make sure it's a really fine powder, and then add the chicory and the dandelion reishi mix and mix them all together, and this is how it looks. You can use this coffee powder to make a decoction in the very traditional Indian coffee filter or a gas filter like this one, which is more globally available, or you can even mix the powder directly into the milk, sort of like an instant coffee powder mix. Of course, if you do this, then you'll also have to sieve out the powder with a fine muslin cloth or a fine strainer, so you don't have that powdered sediment or residue at the end of your coffee. You can have it black, or you can add milk and sweetener as per your taste and give it this nice good whirl in a frother, and tan-ta-dan! This is your coffee. It has this amazing taste, that richness, flavor, but with a calming effect. It doesn't get you jittery and vigilant. Before I wrap up, there is this really important point that I want to make here. This coffee might not be suitable for the extremely thin, lean, bony, hyperactive, hypersensitive and vigilant body types. Now, as per Ayurveda, this body type and mind is called as the Vata body type. I have a whole video that explains the science and the balancing of these individuals. Since this recipe uses a lot of dry roasted ingredients, this probably will aggravate all the symptoms of this body type of these individuals. So if you are like a normal build, medium, athletic or broad-framed heavy body individuals, this actually will be a lot beneficial in balancing your health. When you try this, please do share your mixes, the ratios, if you added something, if you removed something, or if you like the taste, or if your coffee symptoms kind of got better, whatever, please share here so someone out there can benefit from your experiences. Until the next time, bye.